Spending late nights in the shop. My bank account's drained, but I'm getting new shocks. And I'm hoping that she'll be ready for tomorrow's parade. I ain't got time for no masquerades. I'm putting in work so that I can go play. Just waiting for the weekend, and I pray it comes quick. It's a Jeep thing. Let's take a ride, then you'll understand. Get some wind in your hair, you'll forget to care. Top down with your hands in the air. It can be red, green, or blue, whatever color will do. Only thing to be said for me and you is it's a Jeep thing. Yeah, it's a Jeep thing. Yeah, I can help pull out your truck. Might get a little muddy, but we'll never be stuck. Don't matter the time. We ride rain or shine. She may not turn on a dime, but she'll never back down from a steep incline. Let's hit a trail, and I'll show you real quick. It's a Jeep thing. Let's take a ride, then you'll understand. Get some wind in your hair, you'll forget to care. Top down with your hands in the air. It can be red, green, or blue, whatever color will do. Only thing to be said for me and you is it's a Jeep thing. Yeah, it's a Jeep thing. And lights, we wheel for those in the fight of their lives. So grab your beer, your whiskey, your wine. Let's kick up some mud and we'll have a good time. Here's why. It's a Jeep thing. Let's take a ride, then you'll understand. We'll get some wind in your hair, you'll forget to care. Top down with your hands in the air. It can be red,